Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the freeze moment effects to your videos on a CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a videos to CapCut PC, and to apply the freeze moment effect, first you just need to go to the effect menu at the top, then click on the video effect and then scroll down until you find the retro category, I mean. Okay, so under the retro category there will be freeze moment effect that you can apply to your clips if you are on the CapCut Pro. So just click on the plus icon to add it to your track, and here if you want to like have some further adjustment, you can adjust the atmosphere, the color, filter, strength, and also speed. But when you apply the effect, your video will go like this. Okay, so this is the freeze moment. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial.